Sinsang Taytayleho. My name is Aiselin Baer, 42 years old, single. I'm a high school graduate. My hobbies are gardening and planting flowers. My expertise are household chores, laundry, and ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save money and I want to have a own business. I work as domestic helper in Malaysia from July 2016 to July 2018. I serve one couple and one of their daughter, 16 years old. My duties are household chores, laundry, ironing, car washing, and taking care of cat. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and children. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm a hardworking, honest, obedient, and God-fearing. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.